Hello friends, Vince Burlapp here. Today, we are looking at a car we cannot buy in the US. It is the station wagon version of the new Audi A5. Audi will be selling this new wagon all around the world, except over here. They claim Americans don't like wagons. This, after years and years of pushing their more profitable SUVs down our throats, and also pricing their wagons much higher than their SUVs. This good-looking beast will just sit there, teasing us, taunting us, and driving many of us mad. No Audi SUV on the planet will ever look that good, and yet, this unattainable dream does exist. Somewhere, everywhere, except over here. And look, it has the crazy lights kids like so much these days. The psychedelic, seizure-inducing light show will dazzle your envious friends and neighbors. Co-workers won't be able to stop asking you to turn them on. Simple-minded neighbors will be baffled by the futuristic and useless display of obnoxious, shiny colors. And your jealous and destitute family members will soon refer to you as a living God, one that can control lights and therefore almost anything on earth. Like the scriptures say, you are the light of the world, and whoever follows you will not walk in darkness. The new Audi wagon could actually help you start your own religion if you play your cards right. The new interior has plenty of screens everywhere, even one for the passenger. The last thing you want is a bored co-pilot, and Audi knows it. The lucky human traveling with you will be able to enjoy hours of mind-numbing, idiotic videos of cats attacking kids or numbskulls scaring each other. A never-ending stream of brainless entertainment on the small screen in front of them without ever saying a word to you, which in some cases can actually be quite a blessing. I remember once a long drive from Vegas with a nice traveling companion, an honor student majoring in men. She had all A's. She was also drunk on sterno and couldn't keep quiet. A setup like this would have been a lifesaver. Another way to impress your passengers is this new glass roof that gets darker at the touch of a button, consolidating forever your position as a local divinity among idiots. Your new Audi wagon will probably drive great, like many other far less expensive cars. But these 4 rings on the grille aren't free. Impressing the masses around you comes at a price. Conjuring jealousy, envy, and desire around you is an unequaled pleasure. Just imagine finally getting the respect you've deserved all these years. Admiration from strangers is a priceless treat few on earth can enjoy. Your Audi wagon will fulfill your wildest dreams and more, much more. But I'm begging you, don't pick up hitchhikers on your way from Vegas.